on Fiji Village on Record this morning. Good morning, I'm Vijay Narayan here in the Fiji Village newsroom. And as submissions continue for the Constitution Review Commission, a lot of questions and comments are already coming through in relation to the common name Fijian, whether it should remain as the common name for all the citizens of Fiji. We also reached out to Prime Minister Sitiveni Rabuka on his stand. What is his stand in relation to the submission made by the Great Council of Chiefs to the Constitution Review Commission for the name Fijian to be exclusive to the Ito Cape? And Prime Minister Sitiveni Rabuka has confirmed to us that he supports the name Fijian to be used by all citizens of Fiji. He, when asked on the submission by the GCC, he says his personal thoughts are that the name Fijian is not Vosa Vakaviti. He also says there's nothing wrong with it now, since a lot of organizations' names have also been changed. For example, he said, like the Ministry of Ito K Affairs and the Ito K Land Trust Board. There's other organizations also, the name has changed from Fijian to Ito K. So that's the latest so far. The Constitution Review Commission continues to get submissions. We expect more people to be fronting the Commission to make their views known. For Fiji Village News, I'm Vijay Narayan.